Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to create Windows 10 new virtual machine with the help of VMware. First of all, you need to go to VMware Workstation and click it. Now it's open and you need to go to create new virtual machine and then click on custom, click next. So you can choose install disk if you have any available disks. If you don't have, you can go through install disk image ISO file, or you can go through I will install the operating system later. I want to go through this and click on next, and you need to choose which OS you are going to install. So right now we are going to create Windows 10. So I'm going to choose Windows 10 and it's a Microsoft window, and then click next, and then I'll leave it the name Windows 10 because this is Windows 10, so we're going to install Windows 10. And now I'm going to browse it and find my location where I want to install Windows 10. So I'm going to install it inside new volume D drive, and I have already created Windows 10, so I'm going to click Windows 10 and click OK and click next. I'm going to leave it by default BIOS and then click on next. And number of processor you can choose, I want to choose 1, and the number of core per processor I want to choose 2, and click on next. And you can increase the memory. I want to increase it up to 4 GB, and then click next, and then I leave it by default. Click next. Use network address translation NAT, and then click next. Click next, and it's asks create a new virtual machine or use an existing virtual disk or use a physical disk. Here you can choose create a new virtual disk and click on next, and you can allocate disk size, which is 60 GB, and I want to leave it as 60 GB. I want to leave it as it is, and then click on store virtual disk as a single file and click next. Now you need to browse to the location. Click on browse, and then new volume D, Windows 10, save, and then click next, finish. So in this way our Windows 10 virtual machine is created. Okay, now once the process is completed, you need to go back to Windows 10, click on that and click on edit virtual machine setting. Here memory is 3.7 GB. You can adjust it if you like. I want to leave it as it is, but if you want to adjust it, just increase here, but I want to leave it as it is. And the processor is 2, and hard disk 60 GB, and CD. Go to CD and DVD and use ISO file which you had already downloaded and browse it, and then click on ISO file, which is this one, Windows 10 ISO file, and click open, and now click OK. Once this process is completed, then you can go back on and click on power on this virtual machine. Now you can click next and click install now. The setup process is starting now. Now from here, if you don't have a product key, click on I don't have a product key, and then choose which version of Windows 10 you want to install. I'm gonna install Windows 10 Pro, and then click next. I accept license, and then next, Now I'm going to choose custom installation. It is a disk allocation space is 60 GB. If you want to create a new, then click on new and then apply. Okay, so it's been we have done disk partitioning over here. Disk drive 0 partitioning to have a 59 GB. So I'm going to click on this one, 59 GB, and then click next. Now you can select the region and then click yes. UK and then yes, escape. Now you can go set up for personal use and then click next. Want to continue with limited experience, click on that and then PC name, click next and then password. I don't want to give any password, so click on next. And location is diagnosis data is find my device is, and then click accept. If you want to turn it as a no, you can make it no for it no, and then click on next. It's up to you. So I'm going to accept it now, and then I'm going to skip this part. Accept. See, your Windows 10 is ready to use. So thanks for watching this video.